Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this PC icon not showing properly in Windows 11. And as you can see on my this PC icon here, it just look like a paper while other icons are showing pretty normal. So how do you go about fixing that if your this PC is not showing correctly? So guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this. So all you have to do guys is just simple go ahead and right click anywhere on your desktop and click on personalize. So once you're here, click on Teams, and then you want to click on desktop icon settings. Click on that. Now here, if you look at my this PC, the icon is not showing correctly. So how do I fix this? All we have to do guys is just simple click under this PC and click on restore default, and you look right away that it restore back to the default. To fix the issue, simple click on apply, then click on OK, and if you close out of this and go back to your file explorer, you will realize that the issue is now fixed. And that's it guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and fix this PC icon or this PC icon not showing correctly on Windows 11 PC. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.